We are participating at Intech 2026 exhibition at Coimbatore. We are one of the largest machine tool manufacturers in India. We have the product range from 2-axis turning centers till the 5-axis machining centers, and they also be multitasking machines. For Jyoti CNC Automation, Coimbatore and Tamil Nadu is very important industrial zone for us. We have machines here on display with live demonstrations. We want our customers to visit our booth at Intech 2026 and have a look at the demonstrations, what we have, live demonstrations, and get a feel of the machine capabilities and the accuracies what we can achieve.